In this video we will learn interfacing of an LDR sensor module with the Arduino Uno board. The sensor module provides an analog output voltage in the range of 0 to 5V according to the light intensity. This voltage can be read using analog pins of the board. The Arduino provides output in the range of 0 to 1023. First we will select the sensor and make connections. The VCC is connected to 5V, the ground pin of the sensor is connected to the ground pin of the board and the analog output pin is connected to the A0 pin of the board. Now we have to write the program. First we will set up the serial communication. The baud rate is 9600. Then using analog read command the analog voltage is converted to digital values. The values are displayed on serial monitor using the serial.println command. We are also introducing a delay of 1 second between two successive values. The default setup shows the value 250. However, we can change the illumination to change the analog output of the sensor.